Hey guys, I'm outside getting a little bit of winter sun out here, guys. You hear that behind me? Look at that. I'll let you get a little bit of zen. This is my local park, guys. This is what we see at our local park. Imagine that. We can see this every day of the week. It's so beautiful. I call it zen. Imagine that. Beauty, beauty. Let me show you from the front, guys, what it's all about. Let's get a good looking. Oh, Baj. No running. Be careful. Yeah, that's for the skateboarders and the skates. Careful, Tinky. I hear one. Yeah, be careful. There you go, man. That's right. Tell your sister, be careful. Look at them, aren't they so cute, guys? Careful, Popo. Careful. Go down if you're going to go down. Don't play on there. Go down. I don't want you playing around on it. Watch out. Watch out, Bud, so she can get by. Tinky, are you going, please? Because you fall back, I'm going to be, don't. Just go. You can get next time helmet and knee pads. Tie Bud your shoes, please. Come here, Bud. Let me tie your shoe. Okay, let Auntie tie your shoes. Go get your shoe tied. Your shoes, your laces are untied. You need it tied. Good job on your rollerblades. Good job. Welcome. Yep, guys, that's my little picnic bag right there with my little goodies inside. Cause I gotta have. Want a cold drink? Anybody?
I'll take some.
Go ahead, get you a water. Pulley, you want a cold drink? I think I'm gonna have me some popcorn. Yeah, guys, is always good. Also have some sweet potato pie in here too. You gotta have you a couple little snacks, guys, when you're at the park. Got me some sweet potato pie and some clementines in here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at the water, people. Look at the park. Look at that, guys. I told you. I said, get those, you know, get those kids out the house. It's summer vacation, not summer vacation. It's winter vacation. Let them kids get out and get some, you know, some of this beautiful summer air, guys. I mean, no, I keep saying summer because it feels like summer. I mean, some of this beautiful winter air, especially considering we've been having the coldest of days, no matter where you live at. So, guys, I'm gonna, Elisa, let's get up and get a little walk in. No sense sitting. Exactly, it's beautiful. Take a walk around the skate park. Look, guys, this is our skate park. I showed this video our skate park before, but look at this. Tinky's on her rollerblades. So we're at the skate park where she can have her a nice good time. Come on, Elisa, let's go for a walk.
Can I do videos so I can post it on my YouTube channel?
Well, you can use some of this one.
Oh no, I just want to get like the inside of here.
Okay, wait, yeah, come walk around some though. Come on.
I'm chilling.
No, Lisa, come on, get exercise. Let's get exercise. Let's walk around. There's no chilling. You can chill at home. That's why we're walking. Let's go. Let's get a little walk in. Enjoy the day. Look, guys, look at Budge. Zooming on the fam. See, guys? That's all. Kids are easily satisfied. You can easily have them a good time. You know, pack a little, a little picnic basket. Look at that. Got my little Five Below recyclable bag with my little goodies in there. Come on, Pulley. Let's walk around. Yeah, guys, this is what we're doing today. Enjoying the weather. Watch out. Watch come down those stairs with them skates, Bernie. Don't Tinky, you walk by yourself. Don't take him. Come on, Budge. Go ahead, go down. You want to go down? Come on.
On my hand too.
Come on. Yeah. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. All for the little kids. I just dropped my phone and cracked it. I know, but it ain't too bad. Thank God, right?
Oh,
Got a little, graffiti, guys, around the park. Yep, nice little time. Look at Brooke is on her rollerblades. She got 2 pairs for Christmas. So she's on her rollerblades and her brothers. Careful, you all right? Get yourself up and try again. That's why you should put your elbow pads on, Poo Poo. That's why I told you to put them on. Your mom said, what was tight? Was it your elbow pads or what was tight on you?
My elbow pads.
Okay, so we're gonna need to get you some more. Stay tuned, guys, for the zen and the beauty at life, at God Inspires Life Coaching. Hey.
No, Papa.
Wait for you, baby. Is this a trail? Oh, it is. Wow. Wow, look at this. Did you guys know that this was over here?
Yeah.
You did, Pulley?
Budgie walk.
Guys, I'm telling you, every time I come to this park, I always see something different. It's crazy. So now I just seen another little stream of water that I just found by where we live at. Slow down, man. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me show you. Let me give you a little visual. Look at that, guys. This is what we're experiencing over here in our little town, guys. Look at that. This is the little history.
Budgie, wait.
Look at that, guys.
Budgie, wait.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Stop whining.
Calm down, Budge. Stop. Okay, you won't come next time, Budge, because you don't know how to act. Look at that, guys. Again, Zen. Sorry. Look at that, guys. You want a little bit of Zen? You've been wanting to free your mind a little bit, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Again, this is all in our town where we live at. Everywhere you go, there's little waterways and little rivers like this, guys. Amazing, amazing. Look at that, guys. So zen. Be careful, Pulley. You good?
Sit with me.
Where?
Right
You got him, Brittany? Budge, come here, Budge. Look at this boy. Got my daughter running all the way down there. He's so terrible. Wait a minute, Elisa. I gotta make Charlotte, watch Budge. Help Brittany with Budge, cause oh, she got him. That boy done ran all the way down there, guys. So my daughter wants me to sit with her on the dock of this little river and get a nice little. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Watch my hand pull it. Watch my hand. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Let's zoom it out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Can you believe that? We're just sitting here, getting a nice little relaxation, nice little vibe, guys. So beautiful. Embracing the beauty. My family right there. Hey, Poozy. Pooz, come look at this. Little Poozy right there. Yes, guys. That's what it's all about. Look at that. See any fish in there, Lisa?
No.
I'm looking to see if I see any fish. Guys, do you see any fish in there, guys? Look at that. Look at that water just. Budge, slow down. Slow down, baby. Okay.
See? You see right here. You don't go. No. No. I don't care. You're not going over there.
Oh, my little grandbaby want to come sit down right here, but he's too small. We don't want anything to happen to the little baby, him fall in the water. Think Grammy got to get in there. Mm, I'll try it.
This would be an awesome first date.
Yeah, it would be a nice first date. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Huh?
Look, the ice froze over there.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Look it over there, too. Ice. Yeah, guys. This is what it's all about. Just beautiful, beautiful, guys. Imagine just relaxing, getting a nice little visual, just a relaxation. And then you got the houses behind in the back.
Who's that? It was a rock.
Let me see if I see any little turtles in here, fish. Look
Don't
at that,
drop your
guys.
phone.
I'm not. I'm trying not to. The water's so clear, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's Brooke throwing rocks in it, guys. Oh, my hand. Well, guys.
Mom, how many videos do you have on your channel?
Almost 700 on this one, on this channel.